Hello, welcome to KlinKode Pay Rules tutorial series. Today we're going to show you a handy workaround for using PayPal in the Shopify one-page checkout. If you want to hide PayPal Express checkout at the top of the checkout page initially, but still want to show PayPal payment option below. Let's dive in. Please note, this is the second part of handling PayPal Express checkout button in Shopify checkout. You can find the link of the first part in description of this video. First, let's address an important thing of the current Shopify checkout behavior. Currently, Shopify API allows to display both the PayPal Express button at the top and the PayPal option in the payment method list at the bottom, or hide both. Unfortunately, we can't hide just the top PayPal Express button. But there's a workaround. You can create a manual payment method named PayPal. This isn't the actual PayPal, but serves as a placeholder in the checkout. Now we will learn how to create the manual payment method, which will be called PayPal. First, head over to your store settings, then click on Payment. Now go to the Manual Payment Methods section and create the manual PayPal option. Since I already created the PayPal option, I will just activate it. For you, it must be created first. Make sure to name it exactly as PayPal. And remember, both P's are capitalized. Now, when customers first go to the checkout, they'll still see a PayPal method in the below payment options list, keeping the checkout experience seamless. Let's try to do a checkout test right now. Yes, we can see the PayPal with all other payment options available in this store. Now, let's try to fill up the shipping address, which should bring back the real PayPal method, and remove the manual PayPal option. Awesome, everything is working as expected. Important note, if you ever decide to uninstall the KlinKode Pay Rules app, remember to deactivate or remove the manual PayPal payment method first. If not, customers might still be able to place orders using this manual PayPal method, which isn't linked to the real PayPal. To deactivate, simply go to your store settings again, navigate to Payment, then Manual Payment Method. Click the edit link beside PayPal, and then select Deactivate. That's it. Simple way to manage PayPal Express checkout with KlinKode Pay Rules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.